Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI. Are you looking for a fun way to get your kids a little bit more active? Then you have to check out this awesome wobble balance board from Hesanzol. This thing is so amazing. Not only is it a fun way for my son to be physically moving around, but he also has so many other creative ways to use this board that I was just blown away with it. This is made of such a nice quality beech wood. The surface is extremely smooth, and I really appreciated the nice soft round corners. Let's be honest, little ones really like to move around and they need to move around. This board is great because even when my son was doing his schoolwork or needed to do something that was kind of requiring him to sit, he's able to use this board and move his body like his body needs. But this board isn't just for standing on. He grabbed it so many times just to use it with his cards and flipped it upside down and tried different ways to see how they would fall down. He also loves just hanging out on this board, honestly. Whether it's watching TV or reading a book, he grabbed a pillow and made himself comfortable on this board, which I thought was super fun too. This balance board helps my son not only with physical stability, practicing balancing, standing, and allowing him to freely move, but it also has allowed him to be really creative too, and just come up with different playing scenarios. So if you're looking for a fun way to let your little one get their wiggles out and just provide open-ended creativity, I would definitely check out this wobble balance board. And that's just my point of view.